The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue. But I caught like everything is new. The sunburst flowers calling on warm days overdue.
First, search up animations mocap. It should be the very first one, and it should look like this. Now, click play. Once you're in the game, go ahead and find the building that is labeled screens. That's where the green screen is. This should be what the building looks like. Now head inside and go to the green screen. Not the white or the black screen, just the green screen. Now you can go ahead and play with the dances. Here I am just finding a few dances that I like and screen recording them. Alright, so once you found a dance that you like, go ahead and click the little I button at the top so you won't be able to see those little annoying things. Once you're done, you can go ahead and leave the game. Now, go ahead and click open and then open your recording. Then you can go ahead and trim, cut, do whatever you need to do and make it look nice. Now, once you're done cropping, go ahead and click edit, then go ahead and click crop. Then make sure the jump button does not show and then start editing your animation to your liking. Then export it. Then go ahead and click new project and then select a background. For the green screen, click chroma key and pull the intensity all the way up. Here I am just adding a few effects and stickers to make it more better. And you can find effects if you click effects, and you can find stickers with stickers. Now you can go ahead and add some cool transitions. There's 3 different types. There's in, there's out, and then there's combo. For this one, I suggest using the out or the in, not the combo, because the combo to me just looks weird, but you can totally use whatever you want. Now you can go ahead and import some music. I will leave the music that I use in the description for you guys to use it. And then you can just cut, trim, do whatever you want, and yeah. Here I'm just adding some text, and by doing that you can just click text at the bottom and play with all the animations, with the bubbles, with anything you guys want.
Call it spring, like everything is new. The sunburst flowers